Telangana says that we will buy every grain of rice. So through you, what I would like to clarify now, sir, the minister through FCI, they have a record of the buffer stock. They have a record of the para-boiled rice. So if you feel that you have sufficient para-boiled... No, let me conclude, sir. We've been agitating. If you have the record, they have the record, sir. They have the record. If you have enough para-boiled rice to feed the country for 2 years, tell us not to grow para-boiled rice. The reason why we are agitating now for... No, kindly, so 30 seconds. The reason why we are agitating today is कि आज जो सो फसल का काम शुरू हो गया. People have started sowing seeds for sowing crop for Rabi. If the minister says, I will let you know in March, what will we do with it? That is our humble submission. Kindly bear with me, sir. Let the honorable minister be very specific. Will he procure in Rabi or not? Because the procurement in Rabi would be only para-boiled from Odisha and Telangana.
తెలంగాణ ప్రభుత్వం కేంద్రంతో చేసుకున్న ఒప్పందానికి తగ్గట్లుగా ఇంతవరకు బియ్యాన్ని సరఫరా చేయలేదంటూ ఎంపీ సురేష్ రెడ్డికి కౌంటర్ ఇచ్చారు కేంద్ర మంత్రి పీయూష్ గోయల్. ప్రస్తుత సీజన్లో ఇవ్వాల్సినంత ధాన్యాన్ని తెలంగాణ ఇవ్వలేదని, ముందు అది పూర్తి చేయాలన్నారు. ఇప్పటి సంగతే తేలకుండా భవిష్యత్తు గురించి ఆందోళన చేయడం సరికాదన్నారు. భవిష్యత్తులో పారాబాయిల్డ్ రైస్ ను ఇకపై సరఫరా చేయమని తెలంగాణ ప్రభుత్వం కేంద్రానికి లేఖ రాసిచ్చిందంటూ రాజ్యసభలో ప్రస్తావించారు పీయూష్.
That first they have to supply the quantity that they have, for which if they have to procure, they should procure the paddy in their state. They have to still give us 29 lakh tons for the current procurement that's going on. I've already given them, I think, 4 or 5 extensions, sir. It is a matter of record that again and again they come for extension. Our government has never refused it. So the fact is that we have extended all possible help and given a 3rd extension, 4th extension and a 5th extension as per my letter of 7th October. Despite that, they are not able to give us the stock. In the stock that they have to still give us, since they have raised parboiled rice, their original target for parboiled rice was 24 lakh metric, 24.75 lakh metric tons. They came to me, asked for an increase. Sir, I increased from 24.75 as a one-time measure. I increased it to 44.75 lakh metric tons. Out of that also to date, we have only received 27.78 lakh metric tons. 17 lakh metric tons is still pending for what has been agreed. So they are jumping into the future without supplying what has already been agreed. That's one point. Second, their own state government has confirmed to us in writing, based on the clause number 18 of the FCI MOU with you, that for the future, and that was the gentleman agreement between the state and us, we have discussed it with all the states. So I saw some placards about uniform policy. I would like to reassure this House, we have a uniform MSP policy, which is continuing for all parts of the country. According to that, para 18 clearly states, I can only buy what the states are willing to consume. And therefore, we had indicated well in advance that for future, problem is that they are mixing up the past and the future.
పెండింగ్ లో ఉన్న ధాన్యాన్ని ముందు తెలంగాణ కేంద్రానికి ఇవ్వాలన్నారు మంత్రి పీయూష్ గోయల్. అది సరఫరా చేసిన తర్వాత కూడా ఏమన్నా సమస్య వస్తే ప్రభుత్వాన్ని సంప్రదించవచ్చన్నారు. అన్ని రాష్ట్రాలతో కుదుర్చుకున్న ఎంఓయు ప్రకారమే తెలంగాణతోనూ వ్యవహరిస్తామన్నారు.
They have not yet supplied the rice that they are expected to supply. We are asking them to first complete what is pending. The 29 lakh tons that is still pending from the state of Telangana. They have not yet supplied that. First they should complete that supply. If there is still any problem, they can come and approach the government and appropriate decisions as per the MOU. Ultimately everything is working as per a system for so many years. We have a memorandum of understanding with all the states, including with the state of Telangana. This is the Telangana MOU. They have to stick to the MOU and supply us the rice.